right, so we're also Bernard's car. We're going to take these off and replace them with the ACS enhanced rock guards. So we'll get these things off here. So 7mm socket down here. Take that off. All right. So get that guy off. Take the pry tool. Actually, it's almost easier to get your hands in there and pop them off. Take the tab out. All right, so simple as that. Then we'll got to take these guys off, tuck the tabs back behind the fender lip here, and we'll put the ACS ones on.
Yeah, let her keep it going.
Go ahead.
You think of the armor? Is that the one you armor rolled right there?
A little bit, yeah. I mean, it ain't perfect, but it's gonna catch dirt and rocks and shit anyway, so everything gotta be that pretty.
Yeah, this is
Oh yeah.
Damn good thing I do this for a living.
Don't lose our G rating.
I have to get paid by the hour. I'll have to edit this out. So I have to get paid by the hour because I can never do it by job.
You get faster.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, so got that off. Now we'll take this ACS enhanced rock guard. Yep, first we got to put these tabs back behind here. There we go. This tab goes in the slot here. And we'll put the bolts back in. Now you can see with this, obviously compared to the other one, it sticks out quite a bit more from the lip. You know, than the stock one just was very flush with it. It also protects the leading edge of the side skirt here. So obviously very nice product, fits well. Bolts right back in the normal spots, and will definitely protect the side of the car from rocks and stuff slinging up. All right, so with the driver's side the same way as the other side, or as the passenger side. As you can see, the ACS enhanced splash guards come through, stick out quite a ways. Looks very, very nice. Obviously, again, covering up the front piece of the side skirt there will definitely help with protecting rock chips and stuff coming up on there. So very, very nice. It's literally a 5-minute project. It goes in pretty nice. They look really, really good. So highly recommend it.